and girls, so this is your Show What You Know for helping fix a sentence. So we are going to use a highlighter just like we've been using before. So if you have a highlighter, go ahead and pause this video and get it out. And if you don't have a highlighter, that's okay. You can just use your pencil to circle some mistakes. So once again, if you have a highlighter, go ahead and get that and pause your video. All right, guys, so here is my sentence that needs fixed. I have quite a few letters wrong, and there's some things I'm missing as well. I need you to use your highlighter right now and highlight any mistakes that you see. Use all those detective skills we've learned of what makes a good sentence and highlight any mistakes that you see. I'll give you a hint. There are 6 things that we need to fix. All right, so go ahead and pause your video while you find the 6 mistakes in my sentence. All right, now I'm going to read the sentence, and if you want, you can read it with me. I'm going to start with my first word. The cop can keep us safe. Now, after you've highlighted any mistakes that you see, you are going to write it beautifully down here. But of course you're going to fix it. You're going to make sure the uppercase is right, you have your finger space, and your ending mark. So go ahead and copy this sentence down here, but make it beautiful using the tools you've learned, like uppercase, finger space, and ending mark. Then when you're all done, and you have your highlighted things to edit that you fixed, you have your beautiful new sentence, you can draw a picture of what the sentence says. Good luck, boys and girls.